Welcome to our channel. We are the Route 66 Rustic Suds. Today we're going to be making some body wash. We do sell these products. Contact us below by commenting and let us know the essential oil you choose and the colors of your liking. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the video. Thanks for watching. Distilled water, we got a preservative, we have the soap, we have SLSA for the bubbles, and then we had the little containers that I got for $1.99. So we're just stirring, getting the clumps out. In the microwave.